Only thing better than a car is the neighbor's dogs. Guy seems to think he can just leave his dogs out all the time. Elliot, come here. Come here, Elliot. Yeah, that's a boy. Yeah. Come on. Come here. Come here. Elliot, Leroy. Oh, now the car's going by. It doesn't get any better than this. Come on, Leroy. Come on. Come on, big boy. Get him. And another truck just went by. Well, Elliot's into about, here he comes again. He's into about 3.5 months, 4 months, something like that. So his borrowed time continues to be good. Elliot, Leroy, come here. Come here, big boy. Come on, you want to go get a treat? Come on, let's go get a treat, okay? Huh? Come on, let's go. Those dogs are gone now. Come on, let's go get a treat. Elliot, let's get a treat. What do you say? Come on. This is too big an afternoon for him. He's not ready for any treats yet. Come on, you ready to go? Come here. No, let's go. Come on, we got to go inside. Come on, they're gone. They're gone. You can wag tails enough. Hello. Say hi to everybody. He pays no attention when he's got his mind on cars. That's all his mind's on. You ready to go get a treat? Come on, Leroy. Let's go get a treat. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.